Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to open the date picker and React Native. For that we are using the React Native date picker library. Just come to the Google and React Native date picker, search it, and this is the library we are using in this project. So it can use an Android and iOS both. So just come to the repository of the Git. So pre-require the Xcode 16, React Native 57, and Expo. You can also use this library. So I'm just copying that yarn add. I'm using the yarn and just paste it. And after that, you need to install your ports. Just copy this. You should only yarn iOS, and this is the function we can use to open the date picker. So these are props. That gives a lot of props. You can use it, and that's it. Now just come to here. Wait a minute to run our iOS. After that we are using. So iOS is ready to use. Now yarn Android, and just come here in your library and copy the import your React Native date picker and just paste it in the top. Save it and just copy your states and just come and just copy your date picker function. Just paste it here and on press. True. Okay, these are our dates. Oh, I want to print our dates in below of my button. So just come here, text, and just type your date into string. That's it. This is the using of React Native date picker. It's working in iOS. Now we should check in an Android it's working or not. In Android, just open, and these are date picker. After checking our library in Android and iOS, now we need to check some other props what we have in this library. So yeah, we can change also the mode of the our date picker. Like if you want to open only date, you can open like this. You can open only date also. You can open only time. Just close it and open. See, it's open. And you can open all the both date and time. Just close it and open. You see, these are dates and these are times. So you can change the text color also in this. Confirm and cancel. You could, and also you can change the text color of the divider color. No, it's not save. And also you can change the text color, and also you can change the text color of the confirm and cancel also. Just type the text confirm text. You can change the text color. Save. Also you can change the color of the, also you can change the text of the confirm and cancel. Also for that confirm text you can change it with the save, and I also want to change the cancel text with the not saved, like that. Cancel text not save. So just close it and open, not save, save. So you also can change the color of these two buttons. Button color, type red, just open, see. And also you can change the divider color, and look at the divider color. You can also change divider color and give it yellow and yellow. You can type another black, close it and open it, see. So, and these are some props. I use it, and hope this video get a knowledge about the React date picker library. So for the more video, just watch my channel and see you. Bye bye.